There were three brothers in a village. Suddenly their father died. They often fought for their father's wealth. All of them wanted to be sole owner of their father's wealth. No one wanted to share this wealth with each other. One day, suddenly a man from another village went to that village and saw three brothers fighting. He explained to the three brothers and told them to live together instead of fighting. But they didn't listen to him and started fighting more and more. The man was upset to their behavior. The next day, they started fighting with each other with more energy than the previous day. It seems that they forgot their relationship of own brothers. They was hitting each other with more power. The next day, the man came again, and after seeing the fighting between the three brothers, he explained the harmful aspect of fighting and separation. He explained by some simple words. He temporarily reconciled them, but they didn't understand him. The next day, they didn't fight with their bare hands. Instead, the three brothers started hitting each other with three sticks. They wounded by themselves. Just then the man came again and requested them to hand over the sticks to him. Then the three brothers handed him three sticks and told him to do his work. He tied the three sticks together. Then he made a thick and strong load by combining three sticks. It was the best solution of their misunderstanding. They prepared themselves to attend this experiment. When their preparation was full, the man gave the load to the younger brother to break it. He tried hard, more and more hard, but could not break it. Though he tried more, but at last he failed to break this load. When the younger brother failed to break it, then the man gave that load to second brother. He also tried, but could not break it. Finally, the man gave the load to elder brother. He also tried hard, but could not break it. Then the man untied the sticks from the load and gave them to the three brothers one by one and told them all to break them together. He was prepared to break their own stick. Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3. The three brothers broke the three sticks very easily. Then they realized that it is very difficult to break three sticks together. Then the man explained it to them that everyone's life is just like those sticks. In life, everyone's love everyone and get along together. It can make unity, peace and harmony. But if anyone quarrel, fight, if anyone different, then anyone from outside can come and harm all. So, we will learn to live in peace by sharing everyone's love. Then the three brothers realized their mistake and began to say a loud voice all together, "Unity is strength, unity is strength."